So you pull the steel out like this, and you're like, that's 2,000 degrees, that's glowing red hot. That is hot. If you give me a quarter, I'll lick it. And everybody's like, oh, blacksmith, magician, trick. And they just give you a quarter, then you just lick the quarter. We're stopping the drop by hopefully forging a handle for the milling machine. It's been way too long, way too long. It's so cold today, oh my goodness. Thank you for being here. I don't have anything else intelligent to say like always, so let's just cue the music, get to that power hammer. Here we go. All right, we're just gonna let that cool off, and then we're gonna actually head back to the milling machine. We're gonna be heading all over the place in the shop today. Just let it cool off first though. Okay, got these two parts here, and if you're like, Tim, I thought you were making a mill handle, what is this? Just give me a couple more minutes of your time, we'll get there, we'll get there. I'm gonna just start doing some layout here. Okay, so these are the parts ready to go on to the next step here. I did that off camera, so it's not that super interesting. Anyways, these parts are gonna go together now, making this into a swage, right? So I also made up these saddles off camera. If you haven't seen how this all works under the power hammer, I'll link a video up here where I kind of go into depth on that, but let's get it started up and get going on this. So I wanted to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace is an online platform and it's the all-in-one deal. What that means is if you need a domain name, a website for any type of work you want to do online, they got you covered. Ooh, that's probably pretty loud. One of the awesome things about Squarespace is that they have a ton of award-winning templates that you can use for your website. You just grab a sweet template and you look super professional in no time flat. Also, you can change them at any time. Oh man, I need a bigger, hang on a second. So probably the thing that I like the most about Squarespace is the ease of use. For me as a creative with old school technology, well, I guess Evolder's not super old school, is it? But it's definitely not a computer. They make it super easy so that I can do what I'm good at and enjoy doing, and that they take care of the rest. Let's weld this up here. So if you go to squarespace.com/TimD, you get 10% off your first purchase at Squarespace. And thank you to Squarespace for not only sponsoring this video, but also making it possible for people like me to look great online. I mean, I look great here with my welding helmet on, but online, they take care of that. Let's get this thing fired up, give it a test run. So I actually realized I was ahead of the game and I actually have to do a little bit of pre-shaping. So I'm taking those dies out and then we're gonna get to that under the power arm, and then we'll put the swage dies in, the new ones we just made. here's the finished part off the power hammer. It's not finished. Hey, Martin. Trying to talk to them here, you know? I'm gonna let it cool off and think about it. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna grind it all to make it shiny or if we're gonna leave the forged finish, you know? Not quite sure on that. And this is what Martin's been busy doing. These are all the 100-year-old steel axes with the hole in them, or 2B axes. Those are coming available at the end of the month. So pretty pumped about that too. Martin made all of these, and I made one part. All right, see you tomorrow. But it won't be tomorrow because it'll be the next scene, but it's tomorrow for me. You know what I mean. Okay, bye. Okay, new day. It's so cold today. I've decided I'm just gonna keep the forged surface and just do a little cleanup, keep rolling with that. So let's get in the shop and get the forge started. So I got these parts forged up now. I'm super happy I went with the forged surface, even though it does seem weird to be on a milling machine to have that, but it looks really nice. It's just a really good forged part. So anyways, I'm gonna pull the classic Tim move here and pass these two parts off to Martin, and he's gonna start machining them when I'm gonna go edit this video. Looking good. This is awesome. So Martin has done a fabulous job with getting this up to speed here. We got this little pin, we're just gonna press that in there, and then that'll connect that joint, and then we're gonna do the same here on a shaft that will go into the actual mill and turn it. So, there you go. Sweet. Happy?
Feels good.
That looks really good too. Awesome, awesome. Okay, on to the next thing. Martin's got this machined here too. And this is the part that's gonna go in like this. What we do now is actually press this in, and hopefully this is the final step and nothing goes amiss here. Okay. Nice. Very nice. All right. Let's go try this thing out. All right, this is it. Oh, that feels, does it clear? Clears, just, wait, that's out, right? Yeah, okay. Whoa.
That's okay.
That's awesome. I'm just gonna try it over here, see how it does. Oh yeah, same thing. Super nice. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to the channel. help me get to that 100,000 subscriber goal. Also, thank you to all the Patreons from last week's video launching it. Thank you to every single one of you who is supporting me there. I'll put the link down below if you want to check that out. And finally, thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Go to squarespace.com/timd to get 10% off your first purchase. Let Squarespace take care of your online presence because they do such a great job. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good one.